Good morning, girl, and welcome to another weekend vlog. As you can see, I am starting the morning off right with some skincare action. So I'm gonna jump right into starting my day, planning out the day. I know a big part of our day, we are going to Ikea, Disneyland for adults. Well, that's gonna be exciting. We are gifting ourselves a new couch for Christmas, so we are going to go price them and try them out, so that's really exciting. I'm gonna finish getting this skin together and plan out the day. We at the Kiki! Yeah! Look at this little sectional here. Like, this is probably the only type of sectional we could do with the space we have.
Yeah, but it seems like it's going to have the same problem.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Especially this cushion if you want to sit here.
Yeah, it's going to push out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute! So the couch we really like is temporarily unavailable and possibly will be available next month. So we're just gonna hopefully check next month and they have it. If not, we'll be looking somewhere else. Sorry, I was looking in the wrong camera. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So mission semi-accomplished because we know what couch we want. Hopefully it'll be available next month. But actually, guys, what we did get from Ikea. So I've been wanting some new wine glasses because we are very good at breaking them. And I wanted some really big, like heavy bottom wine glasses. So we got these. I am in love with them. We got a pack of 6. And I knew I wanted something more like square. I'm sure these are more for red wine, but I'm gonna use them for red, for white, rosé, whatever. These getting some use. And then this cool hand that's gonna go in Mr. Shipp's studio. Some decor. So not really an us purchase, but it's still cool. And then last but not least, we got a new duvet cover. We've been talking about wanting to keep things crisp and white and nice, so that way we could build on top of it with like throw pillows and stuff. So we decided on this one. You can see in the photo what it looks like. Really cute. And then got some throw pillow cases to go with it to add some texture. I'll show you guys how the bed looks when we put all this stuff on here. And then randomly we got these delicious, well, I don't know if they're delicious, but these little shortbread cookies. They look like this. They're just randomly in the aisles with the wine glasses and the cups and stuff. So we're like, why not? And that is about it. Or no, that's it. That's all. The biggest accomplishment will be the couch. So again, keep us in your prayers that we get this couch that we like.
Do you know who you are? Do you know who you are?
Good morning on this fine Sunday. No dryer on today, girl. I've learned my lesson. No more dryers. So I'm just sitting here sipping my coffee, in my thoughts, planning out my day, my top 3 journal. I'm loving this thing. So there's a few things that I've been thinking about lately. One being, I have been off of my workout routine for a while now. Like, we probably closing in on, yeah, we are closing in on 2 months. All this year, that's probably the longest I've taken a break. Each day that goes by, the longer it takes for me to get back on track. And I'm at the point where I'm not feeling like myself. I'm just feeling unmotivated and down. I've just been looking for inspiration, motivation, and tips on how to get back on track. Whatever I find that seems to be working, of course, I'll be sharing with you guys because it's rough. It's rough if you're not used to working out and you start for a bit and then you quit, then it's really hard to get back on track. But if it's something your body is used to, like my body's pretty used to it, so I can feel it. My body could feel it with all the time I've taken off. My body feels it internally, like with all the aches and pains, and physically weight gain. So just working on ways to get back on track and stick to it, where it's just like unwavering consistency and concentration. Like that's what I need. The consistency with anything in life is so hard, right? And it's like, you know what you have to do, you know how to do it for the most part in some cases. It's just a matter of like doing it and doing it every single day and making it a part of your life. I don't know why that's so hard. And then I also think what I need, like pre-wedding, I was working out about 4 times a week. Of course, to get the body right and snatched for the wedding. But I didn't really have a routine or like a plan. I was just kind of doing whatever workouts on YouTube. So it's like, I think I need some sort of plan to follow daily. So And that is one of the things I'm definitely going to do today, is set myself up for the week. We do meal prep every week just because it's convenient with our work schedules and stuff. But we usually just kind of do our meals throughout the week, not one set day. But I think I want to start doing my meal prepping on Sundays just to knock it out and be able to plan like really good healthy meals. So Sundays is the perfect day to just regroup. So I think from now on I'm going to try to use my Sundays to regroup, to prepare, to set myself up for success, girl. The other thing I've been thinking heavily about, and the feeling is getting stronger and stronger, is considering being a straight natural. Like, so crazy. But I'm in this sort of transformative period in my life, internally and externally. Like, I want to do like a whole makeover of myself, just really transition to the woman I feel that I am inside. So if you've ever seen my like natural hair so sorry, story or journey, I spoke about like my original reason for becoming natural, and that was to like grow out my hair. I knew that being natural would give me healthier hair, and therefore it would grow, and then it would be long, so then I could wear it straight and it'd be long. That was the intent. But I got so caught up in like, oh wow, I have this texture of hair, I have curls, like this is cool, that, you know, years went by and I was only straightening my hair like once a year, once every couple years. Like, I lost sight of what my original goal was. Now, being 30, I'm kind of getting back to that premise, not in such a like shallow way. There's other thoughts behind wanting to do this, wanting to become a straight natural. I love my curls, but you know that feeling when it's time for a change. Like when I dyed my hair, at this point I think 3 or 4 years ago, red, and I went through the gradual stages of the reds that I've had. Like back then I knew it was time for a change. When that feeling gets stronger and stronger and stronger, it's just like, I have to do it. So I did it. I'm starting to feel that same way with becoming a straight natural. One, I don't have like the excitement to try new hairstyles. I'm realizing I'm a lot more like simple. I wear my hair in buns a lot of the times. And I'm always trying to find ways to make a wash and go, a literal wash and get the heck out of here and go. Because I just like to get straight to the point. Literally wake up and go. So that's one of the catalysts for my decision. Even though it's not a solid decision yet, I'm still like going back and forth, but the feeling is getting stronger. My other reason is like a new look. Like, I want to change my style, my wardrobe, just my look in general, like really transform into, like I said before, the person that I feel like I am inside, like this dope, sophisticated, bad little thing, you know what I mean? So I feel like the aesthetic I'm going for is leaning more towards straight hair. Again, nothing wrong with my curly hair, love it. But I've been looking for really good hairstylists that know how to care for natural hair. They understand and take their time to nourish, because I still want it to be healthy. There's a few straight naturals that I follow on Instagram that I absolutely love, and their hair is thriving and beautiful. I can't think, well, Erin on Demand is definitely one of them. Her hair is gorgeous. I cannot think of the other girl's name right now, but I'll like pop a picture up. Her hair is just the epitome of like luster and beauty. It just looks so healthy and bouncy, and like that's kind of the goal. That's kind of what I'm going for if I were to become a straight natural. So those are my inspirations right now, and the more I look at them, I'm like, yes, this could be for me. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I know some people are like, no, don't give up the curls. I get you. I feel you. But I think it's time. Sorry, girl. The AC interrupted us very rudely and unexpectedly. But you know what? I think I'm done ranting and raving about all this. It has been nice to kind of just express my thoughts outwardly. I think it's helping me reach a better decision with being a straight natural, helping me feel, actually, oddly enough, a little motivated as far as my health and my fitness. So, good chat, bro. We gotta do this more often.
Someone's at my door. Yeah. How can I be sure?
This lighting is everything. Heading into the grocery store to get this meal prep poppin'. Let's go get some groceries.
Yeah. What will I do? Oh yeah. What will I do? What will I do? See you. I pray to the Lord.
So I am back from the grocery store. It is Sunday evening, time to cook dinner. So I'm gonna leave y'all with the dinner cooking. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this weekend's vlog. But until next time, bro, stay poppin'.
Yeah. Tell 'em I'll jump right on board just to quit you. Got me on a force. Yeah. Begging you for more. I can't quit you. No, I can't quit you. Yeah. I can't quit you. I can't quit you. Don't want to. Yeah.